Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Here is a grocery haul for the first week of November. We are on November's budget, of course, and our November food budget will be $325 this month. So, alright, so here we have 4 dozen eggs. Those were 89 cents a dozen. I got some ground beef here. That was $8.64. I also got, sorry about the glare here, but I have a little, just a cheese, frozen pizza, cheese pizza, some turkey breast, lunch meat. Back up here we have some more dairy, 1 gallon of skim milk, half a gallon of half and half. That's really good in coffee and stuff, so that's kind of why we buy that. Then we have 3 yogurts here. We buy plain, and then I usually add in some powdered stevia to kind of sweeten it, so just to avoid the added sugar. Then we also have 2 cheese here, a extra sharp and a mozzarella. And tomatoes were $1 for a pound, so I got a bag of those. Alright, then we also have some 2 bags of fresh spinach, 2 bags of frozen green beans, 2 bags of baby carrots. Over here I have some all-purpose flour. I want to make some pancakes, and I was out of all-purpose flour, so we got that done. I also got some pancake syrup for the pancakes. We have a tomato sauce, 2 tuna, and organic peanut butter. Let's see, and then I also have some snacks for my kids, graham crackers, and also a little treat. We're going to do a cake mix. I follow a recipe where I put a can of pumpkin in the cake mix in place of the eggs and oil, so it kind of lightens it up a little bit, so we're going to do that. I also have 2 refried beans, 2 diced tomatoes with green chilies. I have 4 diced tomatoes, 2 big cans of crushed tomatoes. I use those in a lot of obviously like chili and my tomato soup recipe. So we'll be making that. I also have 2 sweet corn down here, a bag of onions, and a bag of sweet potatoes, 2 loaves of bread, 2 bags of apples, and some wraps. So the total today came out to being $70.75. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.